producing heavy rain across EAS and Hood County. Between 1 to 3 inches has already fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 1.5 inches per hour. And additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible. So flash flooding is either ongoing or imminent. Once again, the flash flood warning issued for northeastern EAS and for Hood County until 10 o'clock. Strong thunderstorms dropping heavy rain across EAS and Hood County. You could see another 2 to 3 inches of rain in those areas before it tapers off. And a flash flood watch is in effect for the entire North Texas area. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Tarrant County. Stand by as we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for portions of Parker and Tarrant counties until 10:15. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicate thunderstorms producing heavy rain along the Parker-Tarrant County line. Between 1 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen, and the expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches per hour. So additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible. Flash flooding is either ongoing or is imminent right now. Once again, a flash flood warning for eastern Parker County and western Tarrant County until 10:15. Heavy thunderstorms dropping 1 to 2 inches of rain per hour are moving through the area right now, moving slowly to the northeast at about 20 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
Authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for all the flights beginning at 7:53 p.m. Wednesday, October 25th and ending at 3:53 a.m. Thursday, October 26th. Amber Alert warning. IA, autistic nonverbal 14-year-old female 90 Williams taken by non-custodial parents. Blue 2016 Chevy Cruze Iowa plate NSD 589. Suspect Jessica Williams, last seen undressed in ABE in Des Moines around 3 p.m. Nina is a black female 5'9", 262 pounds, last seen wearing a navy blue jogging suit and blue tennis shoes. Call 911 if located.
WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for portions of Dallas, Denton, and Tarrant counties until 2 a.m. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicate thunderstorms producing heavy rain across those three counties. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have already fallen, and the rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches per hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible. So flash flooding is either ongoing or is expected to begin shortly. Once again, a flash flood warning for western Dallas County, southeastern Denton County, and eastern Tarrant County until 2 a.m. And that flash flood warning may well be increased or moved into Johnson County, south of Fort Worth, and farther north into Collin County within the next hour. Live from the WBAP Weather Center, all North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.
As we alert our other stations in the area on WBAP. programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service of Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Collin County and eastern Dallas County until 2:45 this morning. At 11:38, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 inches per hour. Additional rainfall could be up to 4 inches possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Again, this covers a flash flood warning for Collin County and eastern Dallas County until 2:45 a.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. In the area on WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Tarrant, Johnson, and Parker County that will be in effect until 2:50 this morning. Radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. The expected rainfall is about 2 inches per hour. We could get up to 4 inches more possible. Flash flooding is ongoing and expected to begin shortly. Again, the National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Johnson, Tarrant, and Parker County, effective until 2:50 this morning. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message. Johnson County, eastern Parker County, and for all of Tarrant County until 7 in the morning. Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicate thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area, and there's a great deal of drainage going on from high water. There are some areas in Johnson, Parker, and Tarrant County that may have received between 3 and 6 inches of rain overnight. So flash flooding is underway. Streets, freeways, service roads, many are already flooded and impassable. Once again, a flash flood warning for Johnson County, for Parker County, and for Tarrant County until 7 o'clock. Some of the areas have received between 3 and 6 inches of rain. Flooding is ongoing or imminent. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.